Hi everyone, this is Sharif. If you are learning coding and sometimes if you feel stuck or confused even after learning many languages, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll talk about problem solving, data structures and algorithm, and why learning one language properly matters more than learning multiple languages. A quick disclaimer before we start. I'm not a professional developer. I'm still a beginner just like many of you. I'm not teaching from years of experience. I'm just sharing what I'm currently learning and what is actually helping me. So treat this video as a beginner sharing with beginners. When I started coding, I learned multiple languages Python, JavaScript, C, C, etc. I watched tutorials, I took notes, but when I tried to solve real problems, when I tried to write code with logics and conditions, I felt stuck. I knew the syntax, but I didn't know what code to write. That's when I realized something important. The problem wasn't the programming language, the problem was how I think. When you start coding, you don't need to learn multiple languages. You just need to pick one based on your goal. It might be either web development or apps or data. I've already made a video on how to choose your first programming language based on your goal. You can check it out on my channel. Once you pick a language, learn the very basics first, practice writing code daily, and don't jump between languages too early. Switching languages again and again causes confusion, not real skill. Problem solving doesn't mean solving hard problems. It simply means understanding the problem, breaking it into simple steps, and writing logic step by step. For example, if the problem is check whether a number is even or odd, then before writing the code, ask yourself what is actually even? What conditions should I check? What output do I need? This is actually called problem solving. You might hear a lot of people talking about DSA. For the very beginners who don't know, DSA means data structures and algorithm. Data structures means how data is stored and organized. Algorithm means how problem is solved. DSA is not a different thing from programming. It just improves how you think. You don't learn DSA to memorize the algorithms. You just learn it to improve your thinking strategy. When you practice DSA using one language, then you learn how to write a code. Later, if you switch from one language to another language, you are not learning everything again. Logic stays the same, only the syntax changes. But if you only memorize the syntax, every new programming language will feel difficult for you. Companies don't expect beginner to know every programming language. They care about how you think, how you approach a problem, how you try to solve it. Languages can be taught, but developing thinking takes time. One language builds clarity and multiple language builds confusion. To be very honest, I am still learning myself and I am struggling too. What's actually helping me is solving small problems, writing logic in plain English first, and practicing DSA slowly and consistently. I stopped rushing and comparing myself. If you are a beginner like me and this video helped you, then I would really like you to subscribe my channel and share this video among your friends who are willing to start coding and comment down what you're struggling with.